What's going on, guys? This is Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. I also go by the Forex pastor, and I'm back with another video today. And I'm probably gonna get some flack and heat about this video. Maybe not, but I am a Forex trading purist. When I first started trading Forex, I was drawn in by the ability and opportunity to make money on my own without the hindrance of a middleman. Being able to make money on my own without having to go and clock in on someone else's job and basically walking on eggshells, knowing that even if you do your job right, you could be fired and let go for sneezing wrong or just for whatever reason. I've had that before in my life where I've always been not a perfect employee, but I have definitely been a model employee. But having all that snatched away just because it wasn't working out. And any of my past co-workers, supervisors, you all can vouch for that, and you know that's the truth. But back to the video, being around Forex for the past few years, I am a do-it-yourselfer, okay? I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I'm an individual who believes in creating multiple streams of income. I'm an individual who believes in learning and taking what I learn and turn around and create my own hustles. But what I don't like is individuals who just really like prey on the ignorance of other individuals. And I do my best I try to do my best not to do that. And so I mainly want to come and say, like, don't be caught up with the glitz and glams of indicators and systems, even my system. I'm a Forex trading purist, and I believe that individuals need to learn how to trade the market, and it's called naked Forex trading. Like, trade the market based on structure, trade the market based on cycle, trade the market based on manipulation. Anybody who's out here trying to sell you indicators, right? The whole pitch is indicators. They're really doing a disjustice. I feel this is my own personal opinion. They're really doing a disjustice to the trading community, because as you see here, I have created a very similar system to one that's pretty popular out there, and I did this off of all free indicators that with anyone, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. Let's do it like this. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. That with anyone with a little bit of know-how can take these indicators, rename them, go into put a source code, renamed them, and packaged them as their own. As you guys can see the screen, these are all free indicators that I found online, and I renamed them myself. And again, I just think it's I can't get it out. It's early. I should be getting ready for church. I'm already ready for church, but it's a disjustice to the trading community. It's a disjustice to those individuals out there who are wanting to create an additional stream of income to pull yourselves out of poverty, to pull yourselves out of just unfavorable situations. And so that's why I push with the Teach Me to Fish trading community. I push actually teaching you guys how to trade the Forex market. Do we use indicators? Yes, the indicators are there to help the novice, to help the beginner, even us experienced traders. But I don't know what anyone else is doing. Like, I don't know. I don't know what anyone else is doing in their back office or anything like that. But we teach you guys how to trade the market. I say we, but I teach you guys how to trade the market just off of pure price action. That's all you need to know. Do the indicators help? Yeah. These are some good training wheels that while you're learning. But to be honest with you, I mean, if you just simply learn, here, let me save this. My system is free too. Even the indicators that I use, you can find them online, and that's what I tell my those individuals who are a part of my community. Like, hey, these are indicators that I found online. Right? I just found them. I was able to download them, and these are the indicators that I use or that I put in my system. They help with teaching you the basics of trading price action. Right? To sum it all up, it's all price action. Whether you're talking about structure, cycle, and manipulation, it's all price action. Right? And anybody who's just doing this, just the cellular system, when really, this is all you need to know how to do. All you need to know how to do is to be able to, and I go in depth more in our community, but just being able to identify supply or distribution areas and demand and accumulation areas. In between that, finding support and resistance. Okay. Being able to simply draw some trend lines. Maybe even possibly draw some channels here and there, and waiting for price to react and knowing what to look for. That's it. That's it. So stop being drawn into the glitz and the glamour of indicators and systems, and seek after those individuals who are trying to give you the knowledge that you need. That's it. Let's keep going. I'm just at a point in my life where I am tired of the fluff altogether. You come here, but I would come here. I'm just tired of the fluff altogether in my life. I'm tired of being taken advantage of, mistreated, misused, and other individuals being treated the same way. You see what Price did here? Price found a channel, worked the channel. I mean, I won't change it. Should be a little bit more perfect, but it worked the channel until it couldn't work it anymore. Then it found a new channel, found this demand area, worked this channel up into the supply area, and it's gonna either come here, come across, come down here, and bounce up, or create a new channel. This is all you need to know. This is all you need to know. Maybe it'll work this channel. Maybe it won't. But this is all you need to know. Simple. This is all you need to know. And anybody else who is out there trying to sell you these systems, I do believe that people should charge for their time. Definitely. You should be willing to pay people for their time. But these systems that are being sold, the glitz and the glamour, it's free indicators. It's free indicators, all working off of price action. So stop being lazy. Learn price action, which by my definition, again, is market structure, knowing the market cycle, and understanding the market manipulation. I give you access to all of the free indicators that I use, that I found online, that I've implemented into my trading, which is basically confluence or further evidence to the basic training that you receive without trading with indicators. And I'm not charging hundreds of dollars. Last year, 2019, I was charging $25 to get the training, $50 for the mentorship per month. Here recently I've gone up to $50 and $75. And at the most, I'm going to take the mentorship, the one-on-one mentorship, up to $100 here in the future. Maybe, later this year or something like that. But guys, again, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled by these systems. Show you. system. These are all free indicators that you can get online. But I'm not selling you a system. I'm not selling you a system, guys. I'm teaching you how to do all of that. Yes, this is only a 10-cent trade that I'm in. But this is our demo account for our group, whatever. This is fine. All of this is fine. But this is where it's at. And so this is what we're teaching you guys in the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. This is why I named it the Teach Me to Fish. Because if I give you a fish, I feed you for one day. But if I teach you how to fish, I feed you for a lifetime. If you're hungry, come get fed. As always, if you stand God, you will stand control. Happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.